In a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills, a heartwarming story unfolded about an unbreakable friendship between two individuals named Sarah and Alex. They were best friends, and their bond was a testament to the enduring power of true friendship. Sarah and Alex had known each other since they were kids. They lived next door to one another and attended the same school, making it easy for them to spend every waking moment together. From building blanket forts and playing in the backyard to sharing secrets and dreams, their friendship grew stronger with each passing year. As they grew older, their interests diversified, but their friendship remained unshakable. Sarah developed a passion for art, while Alex delved into the world of science. Despite their different paths, they continued to support and inspire each other. Sarah's artwork often depicted the beauty of the natural world, and she was inspired by Alex's scientific discoveries. One summer, as they were about to enter high school, they stumbled upon an abandoned treehouse deep in the woods near their town. The treehouse became their sanctuary, a place where they could escape from the pressures of growing up. With determination and teamwork, they restored the treehouse to its former glory, painting it with colorful murals and filling it with books, art supplies, and scientific equipment. Throughout their high school years, Sarah and Alex faced the ups and downs of adolescence together. They celebrated each other's achievements, offered a shoulder to cry on during tough times, and laughed at the shared inside jokes that only best friends could understand. Their friendship was a lifeline, a source of unwavering support that helped them navigate the challenges of youth. As graduation day approached, they realized that their paths would soon diverge. Sarah had been accepted to an art school in a distant city, and Alex was offered a scholarship at a prestigious science institute. Their dreams were pulling them in opposite directions, and the impending separation weighed heavily on their hearts. In the days leading up to their departure, they returned to the treehouse one last time. Sarah gifted Alex a painting of the treehouse as a symbol of their enduring friendship, and Alex gave Sarah a telescope to remind her of their shared stargazing nights. They made a promise to visit the treehouse whenever they could, no matter the distance that separated them. Their farewell at the train station was filled with tears and hugs, but it was also a moment of great hope. They knew that no matter where life took them, their friendship would remain unbreakable. As the years passed, Sarah and Alex went on to achieve their dreams, but they never forgot the unspoken promise to meet in the treehouse under the stars. Decades later, they returned to their hometown, now accomplished in their respective fields. The treehouse, though weathered by time, still stood as a testament to their enduring friendship. With tears in their eyes, they climbed the rickety ladder one last time, reminiscing about their shared adventures, dreams, and the enduring bond that had shaped their lives. The story of Sarah and Alex is a reminder that true friendship transcends time and distance. Their unbreakable bond was a source of inspiration for everyone who heard their story, a testament to the beauty of genuine friendship that lasts a lifetime. As Sarah and Alex continued to reconnect throughout the years, their friendship served as a foundation for their individual growth and shared experiences. They celebrated life's milestones together, from Sarah's first art exhibition to Alex's groundbreaking scientific discoveries. They were each other's biggest cheerleaders, attending each other's events and applauding each other's achievements. The treehouse in the woods remained their special place, a retreat from the demands of their busy lives. They'd return to it whenever they could, just as they had promised all those years ago. The treehouse, now filled with decades of mementos and shared memories, was a testament to the passage of time and the enduring nature of their friendship. When life presented challenges, they faced them together. Alex supported Sarah through the loss of her parents, and Sarah was there for Alex during difficult experiments and research setbacks. Their friendship was a source of strength and comfort during life's highs and lows. Eventually, Sarah and Alex both settled in their hometown, close to family and familiar places. They decided to renovate the treehouse, making it more accessible and comfortable for their frequent visits. The treehouse became a symbol of their enduring bond, a place where they continued to create and innovate together, combining Sarah's artistic talents and Alex's scientific knowledge. In their later years, they became mentors to the next generation of dreamers, artists, and scientists in their community. They shared their stories and wisdom, inspiring young minds to pursue their passions and cherish the power of true friendship. When the time came to pass on, their legacy lived on through their families and the enduring friendship that had touched so many lives. The treehouse, once a secret refuge for two young friends, became a symbol of hope, resilience, and the profound beauty of lasting connections. Sarah and Alex's friendship remained a source of inspiration for generations to come, a testament to the extraordinary strength of a bond that had withstood the test of time. Their story served as a reminder that the true beauty of life lies in the friendships we build, the promises we keep, and the memories we create together.